Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to sell tickets on SeatGeek. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first step is to sign into SeatGeek. Simply head over to the SeatGeek.com or simply open up the SeatGeek application if you have already downloaded it, and then simply sign into your account. Then once you're logged into your account or signed into your account, the next step is to find your tickets by simply tapping on the tickets option on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then select the event you want to sell, then choose the tickets you want to list. Tickets must be mobile or electronic to sell on SeatGeek. The next step is to tap on Sell Tickets. Simply click on Sell, top left corner of your screen, and then SeatGeek may auto suggest a price. You can accept the suggested price or set your own price as well. Check similar listings to price competitively. The next step is to set payout method. Enter your bank account or PayPal info, then confirm your payout details, and this is required before your tickets goes live. Next step is to publish your listing by simply reviewing the details, then click on the option that says list tickets, and then your tickets are now for sale. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.